How to customize your lock screen, which changing the time, the wallpaper, and all that stuff on your Poco phone with HyperOS 2 Android 15. If it's your first time doing this, go ahead and use the quick access and tap on the settings toggle right here. Once in this section here, you'll see these different options. Then go to where it says personalization right here. And from here now, you'll see these different options. And the one at the left right here would be your lock screen, clock style, and layout. You can choose to tap here one time. That'll give you this option here. Or you can also tap here the lock style, which is basically the same thing. Now from here, when you are in this section, you can browse through those that you might have had before. And for every one of them, there's a customized option like this here. And you can now go ahead and choose what you really want to do. So by tapping here, you can choose the font style of your time. And also you can tap on the dots itself here to make the changes here. You also got the effects, font effects here as well. That'll change the color of it for you. And you can just find the right color for your text of the numbers or the digits that appear here. You also got the wallpaper effects here. That's going to kind of change that up for you like this here. All right, and you got this here. Just giving you guys a bit of an idea of what to work with. You also have different wallpaper options. All right, so with HyperOS 2, you're going to get a few more cool stuff here compared to the first update. Now, once you're done with the changes, you can press apply. That's going to save it to either both home screen and the lock screen, or just go with only lock screen if that's all you wanted to do. And you'll now see your new customized lock screen clock style. Now there's a feature also if you are on the lock screen and you simply just long press like this here, while on the lock screen you'll see customized lock screen. That'll take you straight there to editing. If you do have your lock screen PIN number enabled or password, you'll have to put it in before you re-enter into your phone. So for this to actually be enabled while here, you want to come out of here, go to lock screen here, and there is this press and hold option here that will allow you to customize it from the lock screen itself. And of course, yes, you can always go back to either way and customize it how you want it. You also have, if I haven't shown you yet, some more different preset wallpapers with clock styles down here. After the update, you got all these cool stuff here in which you can go in and customize them individually. So a lot of cool ones here. And I gotta say, they're pretty neat. Loving the green one here. I'll just show you this one here. I'll apply it so you can see how it looks. You can choose for lock screen only, and that would be it. All right, so cool stuff all in all, like and sub.